Tired of manually entering customer data and letting important leads slip through the cracks? Today, we're diving into a time-saving hack importing your Excel list directly into your CRM first. Ensure your Excel sheet is well organized. Each column should represent a specific CRM field like name, email, phone number, and company. Delete any unnecessary columns or rows. Next, save your Excel file in a compatible format, usually a CSV file. Click File, then Save As, and choose CSV from the drop-down menu. This ensures compatibility with most CRM systems. Now, log into your CRM. Look for an Import option, which is typically found in the Settings, Data Management, or Contacts section. Click on it. You'll likely see a prompt to upload your CSV file. Click the Choose File or Browse button and select the CSV file you just saved. The CRM will now guide you through a crucial step: mapping your data. This involves matching the columns from your Excel sheet to the corresponding fields in your CRM. For example, match the name column in your Excel sheet to the first name and last name fields in your CRM, or the email column in Excel to the email field in your CRM. Double-check these mappings for accuracy. Once you've mapped all the fields, initiate the import process. The CRM will display a progress bar as it imports your data. After the import is complete, review a sample of the imported data to ensure everything transferred correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully imported your Excel list into your CRM, streamlining your data entry and boosting your customer management efficiency.